Since mid-November 2024, a series of unauthorized drone incursions have been reported across the United States, raising significant concerns over national security and public safety. On December 13th, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio detected unauthorized drones within its airspace, prompting a temporary shutdown of operations to ensure security. In New Jersey, multiple counties, including areas near Naval Weapons Station Earl in Colts Neck, have reported sightings of large drones operating nocturnally over sensitive sites. Picatinny Arsenal confirmed 11 such sightings, raising alarms about potential surveillance or other nefarious activities. Similar drone activities have been reported in New York and Pennsylvania, contributing to public concern and media attention. Federal agencies, including the Department of Homeland Security and the FBI, are actively investigating these incidents. Despite ongoing efforts, the origins and intentions behind these drone operations remain unidentified. The persistent nature and coordination of these drone activities suggest a level of sophistication beyond recreational use. Potential motivations include surveillance of military installations and critical infrastructure, testing U.S. airspace responses, or psychological operations aimed at inducing public fear. In response, DHS Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas has called for expanded legislative authority to counter unmanned aerial systems, emphasizing the need for enhanced detection and mitigation capabilities. Lawmakers have advocated for the deployment of advanced detection systems, such as the recently declassified Robin radar technology, to identify and track unauthorized drones. Authorities urge the public to report any suspicious drone activity to local law enforcement, emphasizing the importance of community vigilance as investigations continue. The surge in unauthorized drone activities over critical U.S. sites presents a complex challenge. A coordinated response involving federal, state, and local agencies, coupled with legislative support for enhanced counter-UAS capabilities, is essential to address this evolving threat landscape.